unbox my new chest harness phone holder. So we will just tear this packet. Wow, this is such a nice So now I will just see how to attach the phone holder part. So you can see, friends, I have attached this part. So finally, friends, I have attached the phone holder in the chest harness part. Now let's wear it. So first I will remove this jacket. So friends, I have finally been able to wear this chest harness properly, and now I will show you how it looks when I put the phone in it. So you can see how nice it looks. So I wanted to show you, this was my previous setup. I put the phone in this part of the purse. See this part? And I would like to make videos like this. So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe.